Stop guessing on the Plasma Glazed Donut Recipe in Pokemon Legends ZA. This is exactly how you craft it without failing once. Most other tutorials for this high-tier food item are confusing or just plain wrong because they give you the wrong ingredient ratios for the Lumiose kitchen mechanics. Before we enter the room, you need to understand the logic or you will just get stuck again with a burnt pastry. Here at Rexish, we are the authority on these urban crafting secrets, and we are going to do this hand in hand and step by step, so you cannot fail. First, you need to gather 3 bundles of Lumiose wheat and 1 jar of electric-type nectar from the flower gardens in the North Boulevard. The secret trick that other creators missed is the static charge step. You must have a Rotom or a Magnezone in your party to provide a low-voltage spark while you are mixing the dough at the cafe stove. If you try to cook it without an electric type present, the plasma glaze will never stabilize and the donut will turn into a regular snack. Once the dough starts to hum with a blue light, add 1 rare Griepa berry for that signature zing and select a high heat setting for exactly 5 seconds. This creates the perfect plasma glazed donut, which provides a massive friendship boost and temporarily increases your Pokemon special attack in the next trial. Comment if you want the solution for the next level. The Volt Shake specialty